Before we get into today's video, don't forget to follow me over on VidMe. The link will be in the description. Hey everybody, and welcome to another video on my channel. It's me, the Wonderful Fox, and today I'm celebrating Bonfire Night. And I am going to be doing diamond sparklers. Oh my god, look at it! Wow! I'm sorry that was the worst intro, but we're doing this inside because it's freezing outside. Oh my god, my eyes are blinded by it. It's like
to know.
Oh my god. Oh, it's actually weird holding it. It's like fireworks. Ah! God, this is actually kind of scaring me. I don't want to hold this anymore. Is it like going to go out eventually?
It will at the end of the...
Wait, is it going to go to my fingers?
No.
Okay. I don't know if this is going to be good vlog, but... Oh, it's got it. Oh, did it just go on the floor? Oh, wow. Okay, so that what should I put it in the fridge? Yeah, it stinks inside. Should I put it in the fridge?
No, jaki fridge? In a sink.
Sink, not
Jesus,
fridge.
fridge.
Sorry, guys. I don't know what I'm talking about anymore. Okay. Okay, so I hope you guys did enjoy that very short video. I didn't expect it to be that short. That was very exciting. I've never seen one of those, like diamond sparklers, but yeah. Anywho, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And now it smells in the living room. And yeah, I'll see you all in the next one. Bye, everyone.